In this guide, I'm going to show you guys how can you make Cash App auto accept payments. Let's get started. First, launch your Cash App. Make sure you have already logged into your account. Now click on the profile icon located in the top right corner. This takes you to your account settings. Scroll until you find the section labeled Account and Settings. Under this, tap on Security and Privacy. Here, look for the Auto Accept Payments option. If it's visible, simply enable it and you are done. But if the option is missing, don't worry, I will show you what to do next. Go back to the main menu, scroll all the way down and tap on Support. Once the support page loads, scroll to the bottom and tap on the chat option under the Contact Us section. Now type a short message requesting the support team to enable the auto accept feature for your account. After you send the message, give them some time. A Cash App representative will respond with a solution or next steps, and that's it. That's how you request and enable auto accept payments on Cash App. If this guide helped you out, do not forget to like, share, and subscribe.